Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. We're back here in the garage working on the Countach replica. Not able to do too much this time. Still waiting on some of the electrical components needed to complete the wiring behind the dash. So today we're going to be pretty much just focusing on the air vents. The air vents that were in there originally do not look anything like the original Lamborghini Countach stock air vents. So we went ahead and ordered a set of those. We'll be swapping them out. So let's get started. As you can see, the ones that are in there now, they kind of rotate and they're chrome. To my knowledge, I don't believe any of the older Lamborghinis had chrome. They usually had the black kind that have flaps where you can seal them. So that's what we went ahead and ordered. So we're going to go ahead and put those in. Okay, here's one here that went ahead and removed. One of the ones that was in there. As you can see, it's nothing like the real deal. Here's set here that I ordered here that came in. Had to order them online. Let's go ahead and take one of those out and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, you can see it compared to what was in there, and then this is the new one. These are the kind that were used on the Countach and I believe the Diablos as well. Maybe even the newer ones, but I'm not sure. But basically you push that to open up the vent. You can rotate it if need be, and then they just lock back in place. So there it is right there. So we're going to go ahead and take these out, replace them with this kind here, and that'll make it look more like the real deal. So there it is right there. You can see it. Close that. Here's the first one in place right here that we put in. See that? Pop that open. Open up the vent. Close that. This is here on the driver's side, right here near the steering wheel. So we're going to go ahead now and do the other ones on the other side, and then we should be good to go with this. There's the air duct hose right here where it connects on. Just disconnected that. This is the old one right here. So we're going to take that off, put the new one in so we can reconnect the hose here behind the dash. Just went ahead and removed this one here. Had a little bit of an issue with it. Here it is here. We had to kind of break the frame off to get it out, but at least now we have the opening here. You got the duct work. You can probably see it right back in there. So I just need to put the new attachment in and we can connect the hose on that one, and that one there will be complete. And then we have that one on that side of the driver's side, which is done. So at least the driver's sides will be done, and then we just have to do the two here on the passenger side. And then we're done. Alrighty, all of the vents have been put in. There we are here on the passenger side. And these are like Lamborghini style where you just push that in there to open it. You can rotate it if need be. And then they lock. Got this one here. Here's the driver's side, same thing. We got this one here. Then on the other side here, we have the other one here right above the two automatic door release levers. Same thing here. Push that in. Close that. There we go. So you've got those. And then you've got that one there. Okay, well that pretty much wraps up today here in the garage working on the Countach. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, send any comments. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.